Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. We are getting today started off with a little wheeling session in the Duramax. Alright, so instead of bringing the Type R to a frame shop, we brought a frame rack to our shop and we're gonna straighten the frame here. We got Vel here. What's up, man? What's up, guys? And we're gonna get this thing all fixed up today. I'm very excited.
You stand there and me and both of us cannot be on one side, I believe.
All four of us is easy. We're not pussies. Fair enough. You good?
Yes.
Alright.
Okay. So each leg slides in the slot. See this middle?
Yeah.
So it goes like this, and that's where your front of the car is gonna be, on the front, the driver door. So this is what's hold the vehicle going, what clamps it down so it doesn't go nowhere.
We have the frame rack all set up and Val is gonna do his magic. Want to explain what you're about to do? I have no idea what's going on here.
Look what you built and you say you don't have idea what you're doing. We're saving this. So in order to save this, right now we're gonna put a clamp here, like so, and pull it. That will release the pressure here and here. And we're gonna work with some hammer and do some magic. Hopefully we're not gonna have to drill this out, so we have to go inside, you know, working more. I'm shooting to fix like it is, but come on.
Yeah, good.
Look how much already.
Oh, wow.
And same thing, look, it's straight. You don't have to even do nothing more on this side.
It's done? So we did a ton of frame straightening, and just to make sure everything's gonna line up properly, we are pulling out the front clip for the car that I ordered up. So this is one of, I think, about 5 pellets that we have for the car. And of course, this is the whole core support with all that junk. So we're just gonna make sure that all lines up and then go from there.
Okay, this one's center. This one is perfect. Right in the middle.
This is dead center right now. That's center too?
Yeah, this one dead center.
That's good.
That's really good. What the flip is that?
The whole core support lines up 100% perfectly. Everything with the frame rails is spot on both sides. We did go ahead and square up on the subframe, and the front subframe was actually good, which is surprising. I don't know how it is, but we measured everything out and it's all good. Tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and disassemble the subframe, get all the control arms and struts, and get all this stripped down to the bare subframe. Not only so we can get it all cleaned up, but so we can also put the subframe back up in the car and make sure everything lines up. I'm 100% positive it will, but I just wanna make sure. So we'll see you boys in the morning. All right, my friends, it's the next morning and we're gonna go ahead and rip apart this subframe, get everything cleaned up and just set it up in the car and see how she sits. So this here is every single part off of the complete subframe that we removed. All nice and clean. I did find a little bit of damage on the subframe right here where it looks like the motor smacked into it. Should not be a big deal. It's still straight, it's still square, it's still usable. And we're gonna go ahead and test fit that back into the car. If this fits, all of the framework should be finished up. Whoa. And we should be ready to move on to other exciting stuff. But we need to make sure this frame is 100% perfect before we do anything else. Subframe is in the car and it fits perfectly. I feel like this is a pretty good stopping point for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Kind of cool doing framework in my own shop. I wish I did have a frame rack, but having a portable one that my boy Val had is super, super handy. If you do want to see some crazy rebuilds, I'll have Val's channel linked down below because he does do a lot of wrecked rebuilds. I don't know how many he's done, but I know this X6M that he's currently working on is pretty insane. Go check it out. I'll have a link down below. Val, if you're watching this, I appreciate you coming by and helping me out with this frame. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out, my friends, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.